This is a 2024 GMC Terrain SLT all-wheel drive. The Terrain is a one-owner vehicle with no accidents recorded on the history report. It has less than 6,000 miles and comes with the remaining factory warranty. The 18-inch Michelin tires are in good shape. It has a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, 9-speed automatic transmission, Stabilitrak stability control. Safety features include GMC Pro Safety, which contains following distance indicator, forward collision alert, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, teen driver mode, and HD rear vision camera. Features include leather seating, power adjustable front seats that are heated steering wheel, power rear liftgate with hands-free opening, 8-inch GMC infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth audio, dual climate control, cruise control with tilt and steering wheel audio controls, power windows, locks and side mirrors, remote start with keyless entry. This Terrain is ready to handle any road conditions. The GMC has low miles, remaining factory warranty, and all at a price you're going to love.